what's up everybody? Hey, welcome back to just another video lesson. In this one, I'm just giving an update. A couple videos ago, I talked about a trade that I got into, the Aussie-Japanese yen, and I just want to go over it because I'm out of the trade, and I want to share with you the results. All right, so a lot of you know that I love trading the squeeze, but what some of you might not know is that I love the Forex market and the TTM squeeze, as well as the Ready Aim Fire Pro, works perfect for the Forex market. All right, so here's the trade that I got into a while back. Okay, so we had this beautiful uptrend. We were in a squeeze. We actually had went from a black to a red to an orange squeeze. Right here's why I entered that circle. Okay, so you see here, we're in a squeeze. The trend is up, right? Then we had a shift in momentum. We had a shift in momentum on all three of the indicators that I looked at. One is the early in and out candle. It went from red to yellow. You could see here that in the TTM squeeze histogram, it went from red to yellow. And then we had a purple arrow on the Ready Aim Fire Pro, and we had a yellow thrust bar. So I entered the trade right there. Now, I risked 100 pips. Okay, that's it, 100 pips. And then look. Squeeze, 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 boom. We went from red to black. And you can see here in the early in and out candles, letting you know that the squeeze was about to fire. And then sure enough, it fired from red to black to green. Okay? And then if you notice here on the box, that's where I got out. I hit my target. So if we measure from here, from the top to the low, okay, the top to the low, let me share with you what I did. Okay, now, what I like to do lots of times, especially in the Forex market, is I'll take this 261 extension and then I'll shave off about 50 pips or so. I don't want to get the exact top, okay, but I shaved off about 50 pips. Now, went up, boom, 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 right here. It hit my target early in the morning. Now, it has pulled back. We got a shooting star candle pattern feel to it, which is, again, a bearish candle pattern, but I hit my target. I'm out. Boom. Game over. Trade in the books. You can write it up. So, such an easy trade. I'm going to be straight up with you guys. The foreign exchange market, it trends beautiful, and this TTM squeeze is seeming to work better even in this foreign exchange market than the options market, but right there. So let's go take a look at the trade. I just did 2 lots, to be honest with you. Aussie, JPY. I got in at 80.26. Get my calculator, and I targeted out at 83.17. So 83.17, 26, 291 pips. Okay. So I risked 100 pips and I got 291, basically a 3-to-1 on that. And I did 2 lots, roughly made, $540, $550, but it was so easy. So beautiful right there, got into squeeze, boom. Let me share with you another trade that I'm in, New Zealand, United States dollar. Same concept, guys. We have an uptrend, a beautiful squeeze. We had a shift in momentum. Now, I waited to right there, okay? But again, I got the momentum shift in all 3 of the things that I look at, and I'm still in this trade. The squeeze hasn't even fired yet, and this green candle represents that the squeeze is about to fire, and so boom, if it fires, off to the races. So that was just a quick little video lesson update on what I am. The main thing is the Aussie JPY, the New Zealand USD. I didn't videotape it, I just did it, but I wanted to go over the Aussie JPY because I actually made a video a couple videos ago about TTM squeeze setups, and that was beautiful. Now, could it keep going up? Yeah, it could keep going up, okay? So for some of you that took the trade with me, if you're still in it, the squeeze fired. Momentum hasn't stalled. It's just me. I had a predetermined target, and I'm out. And if it goes up another 50 pips, so what? I mean, I'm glad at the 291 pips that I made, okay? And so I'm going to be going through my foreign exchange watch list here in a little bit. I just wanted to do this quick video to update the results from our Aussie JPY trade. Landed us over 500 and something bucks. Too many lots. I'm in the New Zealand USD. This is beautiful. All right, so a couple things, guys. If you want to know more about the TTM Squeeze Pro, which is this one down here, right? I talk about this a lot. I'm not going to go into tons of details, but if you haven't watched my videos on the TTM Squeeze Pro, go back and watch it. You can see down below, you can see a link to my, it's to Simpler Trading. I'm affiliated with Simpler Trading, and I can offer the TTM Squeeze Pro through my affiliate link. You get a discounted rate, and you guys know, if you do the TTM Squeeze Pro through me, as a bonus, I'm going to give you my TTM Squeeze Pro Toss watch list columns that we got custom made, $2,000. I'm going to give them to you for free as a bonus. Also, the Ready Aim Fire, it's one of my favorite indicators. Actually, the Ready Aim Fire Pro, it's one of my favorite indicators of all time. Down below, you should see the link to the Ready Aim Fire Pro. I'm affiliated with Simpler, and if you get the Ready Aim Fire Pro through me, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you those columns. But right here, I have a Ready Aim Fire Pro custom column momentum indicator. I'm going to give you that sticker for free as well, just as an added bonus for using my link. All right. Now, also, I just launched my Forex Master Course, the Forex Elite. Okay. If you want to get into that, you can see the information down below to get into my Forex course, where we talk about this all the time. Okay. And again, if you're not in my Options Elite, down below, you should see information. All right, everybody, just wanted to give that quick update. Have an incredible day, and we'll see you in the next video lesson.